Welcome back, my friends. Last time on the Ray of Math, we met numbers 1, 2, and 3. You did really good. Do you remember? Okay. So today we are going to actually count objects up to 3. You ready for that? I'm ready. Let's go. Now let's pick up some blocks and count them, okay? We have 1 block. We have 2 blocks. And we have 3 blocks. 1, 2, and 3. Now, let's see what these numbers look like, okay? We're going to use flashcards today. We have 1 for 1 block. We have the number 2 for 2 blocks. And lastly, we have the number 3 for 3 blocks. So just to make sure you got it, I'm going to run it through one more time, okay? The number 1 has 1 block. Good job. The number 2 has 2 blocks. Good job. And the number 3 has 3 blocks. That was some great counting. Make sure you keep practicing counting 3 objects every single day, because next time we're going to learn even more numbers. So I'll see you soon. Bye.